Hi, welcome to Christy Sunrise. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for green bean casserole, just in time for the holidays. I have 3 cans of French style green beans, rinsed and drained, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, a package of the fried onions, and I have about a cup of grated cheddar cheese. Now, I am going to show you, I'm making a small batch today. I'm going to put it in this casserole dish. But at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the measurements of the ingredients you need to make we call this a half a pan, and this is a whole pan. And so if you have a large crowd, I'll give you the amount you need to fill this pan, and I will give you the amount you need for this pan, which again is half of a full pan, as they call it. Okay, let's move the camera down and get started. This is very simple. Very simple. I have 3 cans of the French style green beans is what we like to put in ours. They are drained, and then I rinsed them with water. And as you can see, it yields about, this one only yielded about half a can. This one, after rinsed and drained, about 3/4. So I guess you never really know what you're getting in a can of green beans. Anyway, so I'm going to throw these in here. I'm going to do 2 in there now. I'm going to add the cream of mushroom soup, and you don't have to buy name brand. I think this was on sale, or I would have bought the store brand of cream of mushroom soup, but because the price of everything now is crazy. Okay, so add the green beans. I'm going to mix all of this up. Yummy, yummy. Now, I know there's different recipes out there. I really don't know. I haven't looked, but this is how I've always made it, and it works for us, and you can take what you want out of it or not. It's up to you. Okay, I have about I have about a cup of cheddar cheese. I know those have watched my videos don't buy it already grated. It's coated with waxy stuff. So this is from a block of cheese that I grated, and I kind of incorporate a little bit of the cheese in it. And I also stir in some of these fried onions inside the casserole. So just kind of mix it all in. I did not grease the pan either, if y'all want to know that. And so now I'm going to top it with the rest of the cheese. Again, this is cheddar cheese. You can do whatever you want, you know that. Okay. Bake uncovered for about 30-35 minutes at 350. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, for the half a pan, you would use 6, or you can sneak in 7 cans of green beans. As you can see, some of them are fuller than the other. So you would use 6 to 7 cans of green beans for this size. And I would use 2 cans of the cream of mushroom soup. And for the full size, I would use 12 even to 14 cans of the French style green beans to with 4 cans of the cream of mushroom soup. So that would be the full size. And you would need 2, maybe 3, depending on how oniony you want it, of the fried onions. And then the cheese, I ended up putting 1.5 cups in here. So you would need 2 to 3, depending if you want to incorporate the cheese on the inside or not. Here's the green bean casserole. Delicious. Delicious. Let it cool a second before I taste it because it's very, very hot. See, it has the onions throughout, the crisp onions, and it has the cheese. Gonna get a little bit of all of it, and let's see how it tastes. Oh my gosh. This is so good. The cheese, it has a lot of cheese. You might not want a lot of cheese, and if you don't have to put that much in it, but it's delicious. I hope you try this recipe, green bean casserole. It's delicious. If you like the recipe, video, hit subscribe, hit the like button, and share. Thank you. Very, very good. Gotta eat some more. It is so good.